Ucapan dan harapan untuk 2018 diungkapkan oleh para warga negara asing yang berada di Bali, dan berikut adalah tayangannya untuk Anda.
Bonne année 2018. I wish a better world with no pollution and everybody is happy.
С наступающим Новым годом! I wish you all guys to be happy and safe, to be with your loved ones, to be loved, and to make all your dreams come true, to progress, never stop learning, and keep rocking.
Bog svima, sretna Nova godina! In 2018, for all Indonesian people, I wish health, prosperity, and happiness.
Happy New Year! Wishing you all the best for 2018. My New Year's resolution is going to be healthier, to train more, and to work harder. Thank you.
С Новым роком!
That is Рождеством.
We wish you the very best of luck. We wish you to be healthy, wealthy, and have the happiness in your homes.
明けましておめでとうございます。Wish you all the best. Please come to Bali. Happy holiday.
皆さん明けましておめでとうございます。バリに皆さん来てください。ハッピーニューイヤー。
Thank you. Udah selesai nonton beritanya? Jangan pergi dulu dong. Subscribe dulu dan nonton tayangan lainnya di sini. Subscribe, nonton lagi. Subscribe, nonton lagi.